Heke Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao is a one-year diploma in environmental management. It is also the first year of the three-year degree, Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao. It's a broad approach to environmental management with a good mix of practice and theory, and that allows us to respond to the needs of iwi. When we designed the course some years ago, we spoke to the three iwi of our confederation, but also to other iwi about what they wanted in environmental practitioners and environmental managers, and they all said that the issues coming across their table, coming to their Wānanga or to their marae committees, are wide-ranging. So with that in mind, we designed a program that was a real broad approach to environmental management. We have a fabulous Year 1 tutor, Dr. Mahinarangi Baker, who leads our Year 1 program and knows this coast very well, knows the environmental issues that we're faced with, and is really clear about what solutions we should be adopting to share with our students and to better manage our coast. When I say coast, I don't mean moana alone. I mean all sorts of environmental issues, from biodiversity management, island conservation, freshwater management, right through to ngahere issues, familiarisation with flora and fauna particular to this area, all sorts of issues. She's on it. So the Heke Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao is catered for all iwi around the motu, those that want to come and gain a diploma or a degree in environmental management. Mātauranga Māori is a cornerstone for our program, in that all of our teachings and research is done from a Mātauranga Māori place. Our program has whānau hapu and iwi in mind. We want people to be able to return to the iwi and play an active role in the management of their environment, not only at a theoretical level but at a practitioner level. Students will not only come here and learn theory, but they'll also learn about how to hands-on get into a river and monitor and assess that waterway and find solutions so that they can return to their people with recommendations or solutions around the management of their waterway, ngahere, motu, moana, whatever it might be. So our course is taught through a Māori worldview, and that stems from our origins, our creation stories, rangi nui ki runga, papatua anaku ki raro, mea rāua tamariki, e noho nei ki Wānganui. We're wanting to give expression to that Māori worldview and to allow people to position themselves in the world and understand where it is that humans or people can play an active role in the management of our taiao. So our course is delivered through a blended learning approach. That is, students will be exposed to some key material through the online Moodle space. They'll generally come down for a 3-day intensive residential noho at Te Wānanga o Raukawa Nōtaki and be exposed to both theory and practice in the field, and then return home to some self-directed learning, create an assignment, and hopefully take the opportunity to look at a local environmental issue to them back home for their assignment. Upon completing the Heke Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao, or the one-year diploma in environmental management, you can enter Year 2 of the program, which is the Poutuarongo Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao. The first year, the one-year diploma, is the first year of our degree, so it's a 1+2 situation. If the Heke Kaitiakitanga Pūtaiao diploma sounds like the qualification for you, no mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.